Oh, man. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. Oh. Holy moly. Oh. Oh. Okay. Well, that was a bunch of honey that just came down. And that that honeycomb is old. Okay. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere else. All right, y'all. I'm back at the deer stand in the trees. You can hear them. You can kind of hear them in here too. This is their little tree stands. But yeah, you can hear the buzzing up there in that corner. So it's a pretty day. It's not too bad outside. I think it's like 86, 89 right now. I don't know. But Monday and Tuesday was super hot. So anyway, I'm getting ready to pop my suit on. I'm gonna take off the trim and that board first because they should all be right there. But anyway, let's see how it goes. Look at that propolis build up right there. I need to harvest that propolis. Look at that propolis build up. Again, supposedly they said they've only been here this year, right? They weren't here last year. So they moved in at some point in time over the last, 6 months, 7 months. So it's supposed to be a fresh swarm, but we'll see. I can tell you right now, they're not only a year old. Oh man. That's gonna pop off as soon as I break this off. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna flip you all around. That one's gonna pop off. That's all new. But this old stuff, nope. Oh, see, there it goes. Just popped off. Alright. Hold on. Oh, that's a lot of honey. Okay. No brood. I'll pop that right in there. Oh, man. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. Oh. Holy moly. Oh. Oh. Okay. Well, that was a bunch of honey that just came down. And that honeycomb is old. old. Okay. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere else. So I just put all the honey right there. I gotta vacuum up all that. So let's get started. I gotta see if there's anything on that side. I'm gonna have to get all that real quick to stop them from going in here. I don't want them going in here. I don't want the queen running that way. Oh, look at that. So I was on that front brood right there and pulled her down, and there she goes. I'll put her over here on this side. But there's the queen. Trying to get out of the cage. So luckily I was able to get her pretty quickly-ish. I was afraid, you see how they're going in this gap right here? I was afraid that she started running. But fortunately for me, she's right there. I gotta make sure, you see how the honey's dripping on me? I need to keep her out of that. So this is a pro tip for any new beekeepers who thinking they may want to get into removals, and who also want to sell, propolis tinctures and collect propolis. I try not to remove propolis from my hives except for like maybe early spring, early summer. I'm sorry, late spring, early summer, because I don't want to mess them up at all. But when I do removals, like like there. This piece right here, I'm gonna collect that propolis off there, and I'll use that as well, because I just don't like taking them from my hives if at all possible, because I want to keep them as healthy as possible. So anyway, there you go. I put the queen out of the way right there. They're all going to her.